Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When doubling or tripling the recipe, keep in mind that you need 1 cup of roux per gallon of gumbo. The darker the roux, the less thickening power it has. The roux must be stirred constantly. Tip: use a spatula.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There's no right or wrong to which fat you use, it just depends on what flavor you want. In a dairy-heavy sauce, like milky bechamel, butter is the common choice and is also the more common fat in most French roux, while oil is often preferred in Creole and Cajun cooking. Butter, though, is more than just a fat.
Let's help you make your mark.
With about an hour to go, create a slurry to add to the gumbo. For every quart of gumbo, mix together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of cool liquid, such as water or broth, to a bowl. Mix well with a whisk. Add the cornstarch slurry to the gumbo. Mix the cornstarch slurry into the gumbo with a wooden spoon.
Take our lead.
Gumbo is much denser than a simple soup. The broth has a thick, almost viscous consistency. And that characteristic is most commonly created by making a roux, cooking flour and oil together until they thicken and darken. Otherwise, gumbo can be thickened with file, which is just powdered dried sassafras leaves.
Let's help you make your mark.
Gumbo, an aromatic soup stew characteristic of the Creole cuisine of Louisiana, combining African, American Indian, and European elements. It takes its name from a Bantu word for okra, one of the dish's typical ingredients, which is prized for its ability to give body to a sauce. Shrimp gumbo over rice.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To thicken 1 gallon of liquid, use 12 ounces of roux, but you can use up to a pound if you want it to be very thick. Asterisk: there is a such thing as a dry roux, which calls for you to toast the flour before using it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.